Hey, welcome back to George's Cooking for the Soul. Today I'm gonna be making some green beans with white potatoes, and I'm gonna season with this country ham that cut up real small. It don't need that many pieces to season it. First, I'm gonna strain my beans. Rinse them real good. Okay, warm in this pan. I'm going to wash my seasoned meat. Then when I take them to the stove, I'll be back. Okay, I filled up the pot with water. I'm going to add some seasoning oil to this. I'm just trying something different, y'all, because I usually just put regular salt. I want to try some seasoning oil today. And I'm going to put a little... I always put accent. I put accent in everything. And just a pinch of sugar. Okay, I'm going to take it to the stove, but I'll be back. I'm peeling the potatoes and cutting them up. I'm just putting 4 in there in the pot. But I'm going to put them in and add the potatoes about 20 minutes when it cook time left. Okay, when it have about 20 minutes of cook time left, I will add these potatoes and let them cook. And once the potatoes is softened and done, everything will be ready. The string beans and the potatoes both will be ready. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, I added more water, so I'm going and add the potatoes. So when there's water in it, the liquid in it cooked down, the potatoes will be ready. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, the green beans and white potatoes are ready. Let's give it a try. Okay, they're delicious. I want to thank y'all for watching my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. And after watching this video, you like it, give me a thumbs up. Okay? I'll see y'all next time. Bye bye.